I couldn't decide on which suit I wanted to wear, so now you tell me. Are you looking at me?
Is that not obvious? Do you not get that?
Yeah.
C'est devant l'une des adresses les plus célèbres au monde que nous refermons cette émission spéciale. Cette semaine dans Cap Amérique pour une visite guidée très spéciale du Capitole.
Intelligence artificielle. Alors si l'expérience a des précédents, c'est la première fois que l'œuvre d'un programme informatique intègre les salles de vente. Johan Rolla.
Take your clothes off. The others do. Tells them if they want it done proper, they've got to strip and be measured. Because it's a work of art made special for them and no one else. You see, tells them that they're all different, even though they're all the same. Too fat, too skinny. You'll be a sight for sore eyes. Anyway, lo and behold, our genius here does make them look different. Less like themselves and more like they want to be, don't you?
Are we done? Are you gonna play? Are you going to play? Because if you are, I'm sleeping outside.